What up, what up? Rebin Chetri, what's good? What up? How's your weekend? What up, what's good? How's your weekend, guys? Tomorrow is going to be a new day for the new week. Okay, as you can see from the charts right now in front of you guys, before we talk about gold, you can see a lot of red candles, right? What happened with gold? So let's talk about it. What up, Rebin Chetri? Bro, chill, bro. Don't be so anxious. Let's chill a bit, okay? Learn, okay, as you progress. Zach, I want to take a break from trading. Is it good decision or bad? Only you know the answer, okay? If you want to stop trading, okay, forget about it, okay? Don't ever think about trading. Just continue with your own normal job, okay? Forget about the dreams. Forget about trading. Forget about making extra money. Forget about probably becoming a full-time trader if you already gave up. But I'm here just to focus on those who are still excited and pumped up for the new week. So let's talk about gold. If you guys are ready for the new week, I'm not going to spend too much time because I know it is Sunday. Probably some of you guys still have your weekend activities which is still not finished yet. So we're going to hang around first a little bit, spend some time to talk about gold. Please show us how you complete your question, please, before you ask. Okay, before we talk about gold, I want to ask all of you guys, okay, whether you guys are having a great weekend or not. Okay, tell me about your weekend. What are you doing this weekend? Are you guys still staring at the charts? Because that is not a really great activity to spend your time with during the weekend because the chart is not moving. But if you want to do back test, of course, you can learn something from the chart when the chart is not moving, okay? And tomorrow when the chart is moving and when the market is open, just focus on trading. And right now, like today, okay, as promised, we're gonna talk about gold, and I'm gonna do a little bit about the market outlook and also analysis on the chart, and as well, maybe we can talk about the news next week, and then we will be ready for the new week and just focus on making profits as usual, okay? So guys, if you guys are here, hi sir, please show us your basis for zoning. Okay, of course, I'll show you how I choose my zones and do my mappings here live. Okay, let me delete all of this first. Okay, let's start with a clean chart, shall we? So that you know why do I take the zones and what am I looking at in order to make my technical analysis. Suyaman, how can I join your VIP? You can PM me after this. I will respond to you and tell you how. It's really easy, okay? And for those of you who still haven't joined my private or VIP channel, the Wolf of SOC, okay, you should, because for the new year and especially in the upcoming weeks, I will announce something new for the Wolf of SOC and also for all of you guys who have been following me in the School of Charts. Okay, just stay tuned and be excited, okay? I don't want to talk about it right now. Okay, who's ready to talk about gold? We have the chart right here in front of us. If you guys are ready, spam me some fire emojis or any emojis. Let me know that you guys are ready and paying attention before I start my analysis today. As usual, let me see the emojis, okay? We're gonna only spend few minutes, okay? Not too much time. But if you guys have a lot of questions and maybe I can answer your question, we can spend maybe a little bit more time. How can I join your VIP? I already told you, you can PM me. Join my Telegram channel, okay? You can PM me after this, I will tell you how. But let's not focus on that first, because today we're going to talk about the market analysis and technical analysis, what's happening on the chart, and where gold is going for the new week, okay? That is the most important thing, right? Because you guys here, all of you guys here, because you guys are trading gold. And the most important thing that you guys want to know before the market open is what is happening with the chart and how to trade gold for the new week, especially tomorrow on Monday, okay? Like I told you guys, let me see some fire emojis, guys, before I start, or else we're gonna keep staring at this daily chart without any analysis. Okay, come on. Give me your energy. Show me that you guys are ready. Okay, I'm not here just talking alone on my own. Okay, I want to see that you guys are paying attention and maybe getting something after this from me. With this session, okay? This is the market outlook for gold for the new week. Okay, for 18 November until 22 November, 22nd November. So it's going to be a new exciting week, of course, with me. If you guys are new here and just recently listen to me or get to know me here on YouTube, just click or copy the link that I put up in the description and join my channel to know more about me and get all my signals for free. Okay, everything for free, guys. Okay, if you guys are ready. Hi Zach, hi John Divine, hi, what up? Hi boss, Yusuf, hi, what up? How are you doing? How are you guys doing? Okay, I hope you guys are all having a great weekend as usual, okay? Don't stress out too much, it's the weekend. Chill out, but of course, we have to be ready for the new week, okay? Okay, come on guys, if you guys are ready, spam me the fire emojis and I will start right away and talk about where gold is going and what do I think about the market. Okay, because you all always wait for my analysis before you guys trade, right? Especially my wolf, because I will post the analysis every single day based on the market changes and also based on what happens with the fundamentals and also technicals in the chart. AR Gaming, bro, I subscribe your channel. Thank you so much, AR Gaming. What up? Welcome to the club. Welcome to the class. This is the School of Charts. Okay. I'm not saying that it's an old channel. It's been a new channel, I think. Okay. For some of you guys have been following me since the beginning. Some of you guys are new. No matter what it is, okay. Thank you so much for joining my channel and staying with me. Okay. And just stay tuned because I'll keep improving. Okay. Just send me your feedbacks. What do you guys want me to keep sharing with you guys in the channel, in the public channel and also the VIP channel. Okay, guys. Maganda Caesar with the emojis. Let's go. I already subscribed to your Telegram channel. Let's go. Thank you so much. Okay, it's just I always provide value in my channel. Okay, the signals I posted is high qualities and don't be scared to follow them, especially in the public channel. Okay, when I share signals, just open your account, straight away enter, and just remember to manage your risk in order to make profits. Okay, you guys, if you guys are ready with the emojis and stuff, let me see the fires. I don't see any fires, so looks like you guys are not ready. Come on guys, it's Sunday. I know the market is off. Okay, but if you guys are not paying attention to the chart and didn't even do, okay, don't do your analysis, you will be killed by the market instantly tomorrow on the new day, on the new week. Trust me, okay? Because why? Because you are clearly gambling if you don't know what you are doing, if you don't know the current condition of the market, if you don't know the chart, don't know the fundamentals, and straight away on the new week, every day, open the chart straight away, want to make entries without knowing anything. So that is actually gambling, not trading. So we are here not to do that. We are here to learn and to have reasons before we make our entries. And that's how we make consistent profits. Okay. So there you go. Some fire emojis. Okay, let's start right away. Okay, I'm not going to spend too much time. Okay. Okay, here is gold. Let's look at the monthly time frame first. This is gold on the monthly time frame. Okay, from the monthly time frame, what we can see is a strong bullish trend, right? That has been going on for all this year. Okay, this is a really long bullish trend on the monthly time frame, and finally, recently, for this month, the month of November, okay, with everything that has been happening in the market, also with Trump winning the presidency, so we have the war and stuff, and finally, right now, we are seeing that gold is showing us a possibly bearish engulfing candle for this month, and will be closing in a huge strong bearish momentum, at least on the monthly time frame right now. Okay, this is not a finished candlestick yet because we still have few weeks before the month end and before this monthly candle close. So just pay attention that right now, after this, so many bullish, okay, bullish green candles on the monthly time frame. Finally, right now, okay, even we are not ending the month just yet, we still have 12 days before we end the week, okay, and then already we have a strong red candle on the monthly time frame. So just keep that in your mind. And right now, let's go to the weekly time frame. What do we see on the weekly time frame? Same thing we finally see after so many bullish, okay, bullish weeks on the weekly time frame. Finally, we see a strong, or at least a big candle on a big red candle on the weekly time frame. Okay, before this we only have these green candles and then a little bit of red candles and then a little bit of red candles, looking like it is making a rejection and looks like it is making a double top. And then what gold did was breaking these highs and this resistance, and finally continued the bullish momentum up. And this past 2 weeks, especially last week, we saw that on the weekly time frame, finally gold is taking a bit of strong bearish momentum. Okay, if you want to draw your trend line, you can start drawing from right here. Okay, you can see that, okay, wait, you can see that on the weekly time frame also, if you take the trends from these lows right here, you can see that gold is starting to break the weekly time frame trend. Okay, weekly time frame bullish trend, and looking like it is starting to make like a bearish rejection or bearish reversal. But this is just 1 week, last week candle that is closing below this trend line. We still have to wait at least for this week weekly candle close to see that whether this bearish breakout on this weekly trend line is strong, or will go retest the trend line and kept going up for the new week. So that leads me up to the daily time frame. Okay, remember this is the trend line that I drew on the weekly time frame, but on the daily time frame as well, you can sharpen this trend line as well. If you take the trend line and going into these lows right here, and then you adjust this trend line to take the lowest point that you see on the daily time frame. Okay, for example right here, you can also see that on the daily time frame as well, gold is trying to break the bullish trend. Okay, so right now, based on the monthly time frame, okay, you see a bearish engulfing candle, looks like it is forming. And then on the weekly time frame, you see that a second bearish candle closing for the second week, okay, on the weekly time frame. And then on the daily time frame, you also see that we have a really strong bearish momentum on the past 2 weeks, okay, based on these daily candles. So for the new week, what are we going to do? Okay, for the new week, okay, let's focus on the daily time frame first. Okay, let's delete this trend line. Okay, and then just focus on the zone. Okay, somebody asked me just now, how do I select my zones, or how do I mark my zones, right? So this is how. Looking at the monthly time frame, okay, you can see that gold, if you just look at this candle, let me mark it. Okay, this is the previous, okay, lowest point of the bullish monthly candle. Okay, last month, the monthly time frame closes the candle bullish, and this is the lowest point, right? But this month, you can see that this lows has been taken out already. So this level 2632 is also the most important level for the new week. Okay, but it is far away from the current price right now. The current price is at 25.63, so this point is at 26.32. But is it possible for gold to reach there? Okay, let's mark another zones at the weekly time frame. If you look at the weekly time frame as well, you can see that previously we have kind of like a support right here. Okay, we have a support right there. Okay, this line, remember this line, we mark this line from the lowest body of the previous month closing candle, which is closing in a bullish candlestick, bullish candlestick. Okay, so this week, okay, last week the candle closes below this weekly support. You can see clearly that gold broke the weekly support, okay, really strong, in a really strong momentum to the downside. So for the new week, we have to be careful, and my bias is if gold were to reverse or going bullish for the new week, okay, if it reaches this area again, this zone right here at 26.43, 26.67, okay, this is the weekly time frame. Okay, of course it is a bigger zone. If you want to make it smaller, you can just take the smallest candle, these two candles, and then this break, and then you can take that as your weekly zones. Okay, and then where is your weekly support? From this weekly time frame, you can see that we have a support, weekly support right here at around 2500 level. Okay, so that's why I said last week, if you guys are in my VIP, I told you guys gold probably want to retest 2500 level, because right now on the weekly time frame and also on the daily time frame, the momentum is looking bearish. Okay, and gold already make like a market structure shift from a bullish momentum to a bearish momentum right here. Okay, you can see from these daily candles, gold barely, okay, make a strong bullish recovery and then started dropping back again, breaking this support. Okay, this is a weekly support and also a daily support. So it broke this level in a really strong momentum. And also if you could look at the daily time frame, we have again another zone right here. Okay, you can consider this also your nearest resistance. Okay, for the new week, let's make it closer. Okay, you have these daily zones, okay, and this is your support. So let's make it green. So this is your weekly support. Okay, let me label it weekly support. Okay, and then this is your weekly resistance. Okay, so there is your weekly support and weekly resistance, and this is your daily resistance, which is the needless daily resistance that you can focus on for the new week or for tomorrow. Okay, let's make it to the right. Okay, you have your daily resistance right here. So for the new week, and also right here you can see that gold is holding the daily support. Last week, if you guys are in my VIP, I told you guys that last week gold managed to hold this daily support, and then true enough, it didn't close below that and is holding that zone. So for this week, okay, it is still undecisive on whether gold is going to go up or going to break straight away, but for now we can see clearly that gold is just playing at this daily support. Okay, so daily support. So this is your daily support, this is your nearest daily resistance. Why this is your daily resistance? Because here previously it was a support, okay, when gold is kept going higher. Okay, this is also a trend line. If you draw a trend line from below, you can see that this is also your maybe third point of your trend line, and also support from the daily time frame, and then go straight away broke this level. Okay, usually when you do your technical analysis, usually in the best ideal market, when any instrument, or especially when we are trading gold, when gold reaches a support, especially a daily support, okay, it should bounces and maybe correct a little bit to the upside, right? But then here you can see clearly on the daily time frame, when gold reaches this daily support previously, it just break right away easily. So this right now become a resistance, or you can call it support become resistance, SBR or whatever, but just label it as daily resistance. So here you have your daily support. Okay, gold managed to wick down a little bit, looking like it is going to break. And here, if you remembered wolves and maybe charters, we sell right here, and you managed to get 200 pips from this drop. And then gold managed to close above this daily support, and on Friday it just ranges and not doing much. Okay, even though we have few high impact news on Friday, right? You can see this is the daily candle on Friday. Okay, nothing much happening even though we have high impact news. So this week is going to be interesting and important because right now this daily support has not been broken yet. Okay, my expectation is, or based on this technical analysis, what I can see is, okay, gold is still looking bearish. Okay, after it broke, okay, this trend line, but okay, there is a but right here, but because right now it is just closing the daily candle at this daily support, there is a possibility for gold to hold this daily support and maybe going up to retest this level that it broke previously. Okay, this daily resistance. So there is, on the daily time frame, at least what you can see is, if gold managed to hold this daily support, the next point that it will try to reach and test is the daily resistance. So that is your first scenario for gold. If on Monday and also for the new week, okay, gold managed to hold the support at 25.59, around right here. Okay, let me label it once again, 59 and also 71. Okay, this is daily zones. If this daily zones, daily support holds, probably gold will make a correction or consolidates at this daily range and maybe retesting this daily resistance at 2600, 2606 and also 2621. So it is a big zone because it is the daily zones. So let's move on to smaller zone to find a better entry or better setups for us. Okay, this is the 4-hour time frame. You can see clearly, okay, from the 4-hour time frame also you can see that previously we have a really strong bullish trend from gold on the 4-hour time frame, right? It is holding really well, okay, making new highs, new all-time highs, and then finally, because of Uncle Trump, okay, not only that, you have few fundamentals reasons as well, because the economy in the US is looking great. Okay, all the data, all the high impact news that came out this past 2 weeks has been bullish and positive for the dollar. So that's why dollar is shooting up, and all the other pairs against the dollar, not only gold. Okay, you can see on the charts if you look at your MetaTrader right now or any trading platform that you use. Just open anything, GBP USD, AUD USD, okay, USD JPY. Everything that is paired with the dollar is going down, and all the dollar pairs is going up. So dollar is right now moving in a really strong bullish momentum, with the economy is looking great, and also with the Trump presidency effect. Okay, because some people buy the rumors, sell the news. But right now, we still are not sure what Trump is going to do with his policies and stuff. But based on what he did previously, some investors have already kind of like expecting what Trump is going to do with his policies. That's why they are bullish on the dollar. That's why you look like you are looking at gold dropping right now, and all other risky assets such as Bitcoin is going up, and also other stocks is going up. US yield is going up because everybody is optimistic about the dollar and the economy with Trump winning the presidency. So based on the chart right now, on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that gold is clearly already breaking the trend line and making a beautiful retest. Okay, this is a roller coaster setup. If you guys are learning in the SOC classroom, okay, a really beautiful roller coaster setup on H4 time frame, and then it retests this trend line and then stay away, breaking this weekly, continue going down, retesting this daily resistance, and then kept going down, making a fake out, breaking this daily support, and then goes back up to the daily support range. So that is what happens this past 2 weeks. So for the new week on the 4-hour time frame, what I can see is, okay, we already have our weekly resistance and daily resistance. So on the 4-hour chart, what do you see is right now gold is just hovering in the daily support range. Okay, so it is undecisive actually. Okay, but if gold break from this daily support, breaking higher, okay, and then manage to hold that break. Like I told you guys, the next point that we will try to reach and find to retest is these highs at the daily resistance. And you can also clearly see on the 4-hour time frame, you have previously right here, okay, kind of like a support on the 4-hour time frame, and then gold made like a small bullish recovery, and then bam, a strong bearish engulfing closing, and then the second bearish candle, and then the next thing happened is bearish bullish engulfing candle, and then it is looking like it is struggling right here, making like a consolidation or a compression, and then bam, dropping with a really strong momentum and closing the next 4-hour candle right here with a bearish engulfing candle. So if you are learning from me, okay, you know that the bearish engulfing candle or an engulfing candle is a really strong sign on the chart that, in this example, bearish engulfing closing, which means that sellers are really interested to sell at this price or at these levels. So the most possible thing, okay, based on your trading plan for the new week, okay, is this scenario right here. If gold goes up, okay, manage to hold this daily resistance and breaking higher, we will try to focus on buys and wait for price to reach, maybe if it managed to reach 2606 right here, we will try to find rejections and look for continuation sell to the downside. Okay, why I'm still looking for continuation sell? Because clearly, okay, we have few hints already on the highest time frame. Okay, you already see that here, monthly time frame. Okay, this is the monthly time frame. Okay, you can see that here all this year gold has been bullish, and then finally on November this year, bam, we have a red candle. Okay, even though, like I told you guys earlier, even though the month is not ending yet, but gold is hinting with this strong bearish momentum. So it's not stupid, it is not crazy for us to think that gold is now having a strong bearish momentum and bearish pressure from sellers. Okay, and also not only from the charts, I have also reasons based on the fundamentals. That's why I'm focusing still on selling if gold is showing me the confirmations for the new week. Okay, so let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. So here, okay, like I told you guys, if this daily support managed to hold, the first scenario is gold will break higher and trying to retest that daily resistance. But if gold fail to hold this daily support and broke below this, okay, what you can expect is gold to keep dropping and possibly retesting this weekly support at 2500 level. Okay, so you have that two most important analysis on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, at least you already have some idea on how to trade gold. Okay, if you just simply have no clue what is happening on the market. Okay, this is the first scenario if gold managed to break at this daily support. Okay, if you want to make it really precise, okay, let's go to the 1-hour time frame. Okay, let me show you how you can find your confirmations. Okay, let's not remove these daily zones. Okay, this is the daily support, right? Remember, this is the daily support that is still not breaking, and gold is ranging at this daily support, but gold is coming from the higher time frame. Okay, from the daily time frame, that you know that gold on the daily time frame is coming from a really strong bearish momentum, and then finally these daily candles is looking smaller and smaller. So on the daily time frame, you can say that gold, even though it is breaking this trend line, daily trend line, and going into a bearish momentum, but the momentum is looking like it is fading and it is looking weak. So for the new week, That's why I told you guys. Okay, let's go back to the 4 hour time frame, and I'm sorry, 1 hour time frame. Okay, for the new week, probably gold will have some bullish corrections. Okay, it will go up, okay, and retest this level right here. So what you have to do is just wait for this level to break. Okay, this 25.75 level. Okay, this is the first level based on the 1 hour time frame. If this 25.75 level breaks, okay, tomorrow, and then gold make a clean retest and then holding this level, you can focus on finding opportunities to buy. So that is your first plan. Okay, remember, if gold managed to hold these daily zones and break on this 1 hour time frame, because why? On this 1 hour time frame you have, okay, these ranges. Okay, you have this range. Okay, but if gold managed to break this range, okay, it is best for us to focus on buying and expecting for the price to keep going up, like I told you guys on the analysis just now. So that is your first analysis for gold. And also on the 1 hour time frame, if you are looking to sell, okay, if you are looking to sell, what you can do is you can also focus on the 1 hour support. Where is it? Okay, there are a few supports that you can take on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, remember, you are still at this daily support zones. Okay, if gold breaks this daily support, okay, and then closing the 1 hour candle below this level, okay, below this 25.58 or 25.60 level, and then make a retest, and then continued a strong bearish momentum to the downside, you can find opportunities to sell, okay, with a retest at this zone. Okay, but if you want to have a stronger confirmation, you can wait for gold to break this support on the H1 time frame. Okay, why is this a support? Okay, let's delete this back. This is a support and a strong support because you can see clearly gold is holding this level on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, previously, okay, it came down. Okay, we sell right here. If you guys follow me, congratulations, we have 200 pips from here, and then it rejected with a long wick on this candle, and then continued the next 1 hour candle with a green closing, and then kept going up, and then here, okay, this red candle is having a normal reaction when it tried to retest this resistance previously, right? It drops from here, and then when price came back, okay, this is a normal reaction, price rejects, okay, and then if price or if sellers will still have strong momentum or strong reaction here, gold will continue the bearish momentum. But here it didn't. It made a strong bearish reaction with this candle, bearish hammer candle or evening star. Some of you guys might call it evening star candle, which signals a bearish rejection or bearish reversal. But then gold didn't reverse with the bearish momentum. It breaks this level. So that's why this level is a strong support. So there goes your reason why I choose this level. And that's why I said if you want to find opportunities to sell, okay, you can wait for price to break this level first, the daily support, okay, and then if you want to have stronger confirmation, you can wait for this level to break and then wait for a retest. If this level holds, okay, then you can sell and ride maybe a few pips down and get profits. But if gold managed to break this daily support, okay, it will try to find, okay, the nearest one is it will try to retest this H4 lowest point right here at 25.43. okay, so that is your two analysis. If you want to buy, okay, on Monday, you can wait for gold to go up from this daily range. Okay, it has been consolidating in this range on Friday. Okay, haven't made any strong break, even though we have a few high impacts. That's why I didn't share a new signal, you guys, my wolf, you guys, if you guys are in my VIP, because we don't have anything, okay, just ranging. So for the new week, if you are looking to buy, just wait for price to break this range, okay. Okay, when it make a strong bullish closing above this H1 zone, okay. You can wait on the H1 time frame. If gold managed to close the H1 candle above this zone, you can find opportunities to buy on a retest at 25.75. And if you are looking for opportunities to sell, you can wait for a break at this daily support, and then wait for a stronger H1 bearish closing below this 25.52 level, or even 25.50 level if you want to take a whole number, okay, to be easy. When you say closing, a stronger bearish closing below this level, you can wait for a retest and find opportunities to sell and get your profits. So I think that's it. That is my analysis for the new week. And of course, for you all my wolves, I will update you guys the XAUUSD daily gold forecast every day, and my analysis for the new week, and also my fundamental analysis. So just stay tuned and get your accounts ready, especially for the new week. It's going to be an interesting week. If you guys have any question, maybe you can ask me. If you question, I will answer before we end the session. Okay? Let's go. Bro, tomorrow go sell or buy. That is what I'm doing here. Okay, guys? That is what I'm doing. I already told you guys my analysis. But to know whether to buy or sell gold tomorrow, you have to wait for my signals. Okay? And if you want to get that, you can wait in my public channel. Okay, I always share at least one signal in the public channel every day. But if you want all my signals, you can join the Wolf of XAUUSD and get all my signals. So, if you want to know what to buy, when to buy, or when to sell, just wait for my signals next week, and we will make our profits together. So, let me see who's ready to trade for the new week. Or if you have any question, you can ask me. I will try to answer to the best of my knowledge and experience. Let's go. I know a lot of you guys here are already trading, already been trading for a while. Okay, some of you guys have been trading for a few months. Some of you guys have been trading for a year maybe. Okay. Whether you are a newbie or a beginner or have been trading for a long time, okay, don't worry. We are all here learning and trying to make profits. So just stay with the School of Charts and so the Wolf of XAUUSD, and we'll get our profits together. Thanks, Zach. Thank you so much, bro. Light in the sky. Okay. I will give maybe 2 more minutes for you guys to ask me anything. Okay. Whether you want to ask about the direction. Okay. I already told you guys that. If you want to ask me about anything else. Okay. I hope you guys have been making profits with me in the School of Charts and also the Wolf of XAUUSD. Okay. We are here just to make profits. I'm here just to share you guys my knowledge. What do I know? Okay, from my 8 years of experience in trading. Okay, if you guys are new, what I can say to you guys, just keep trading and keep learning, because it's gonna be worth it. Okay, if you guys give up, okay, the answer will always be 0, and you will be left with your current job. Okay, maybe for the rest of your life. Okay, if you are happy with that, okay, that's okay. Just continue, go on. Okay. It's all yours, okay? It's your life, you live your life however you want. But because you are here, I know that you have that passion, that dream of making profits from the market, trading every day, trading gold, trading whatever. Okay, here I'm only trading gold, you guys. So this week I'm already deposited of $500. Let's go, Ryano. Let's go. That's the spirit. Okay, guys, this is how you be ready for the new week. Okay, even though the market is not opening yet, I'm here giving you guys my analysis. Okay, right now, even before the market open. Okay, you have already got your levels right here. Okay, if you want to start trading right away when the market opens, you can use my levels right here. But in order to trade, okay, the most important thing is to have your capital ready and your accounts ready. Okay, like Ryanu here. Okay, that's good. Thanks, bro. You're welcome. Thank you, Zach. Danwin said, thank you so much for joining. You're welcome. So how you identify the 30 pips entry zone? Okay, That is a little bit more advanced, but it is actually basically the same that right here, okay? Based on my analysis right here. Right here, I already drew some path right here. Let me explain a little bit on how I get the zones, okay? For example, okay, tomorrow. For example, during the market open, okay? Here, you already know that this is the daily support that we talk about that has not been broken, okay? And then you see that gold on the daily time frame last week, even though it is going in a strong bearish momentum, okay? Yes, it is breaking this daily trend line, but this bearish momentum on the daily time frame, you can clearly see that it is weakening. It is getting slower and slower with these candles, red candles closing smaller and smaller, okay? Here, a big red candle, here, a little bit small. Here, about the same size as the previous candle, but with a really long wick, which means gold tried to make a retest to the upside, looking like it is going to make a bullish recovery, but then it failed. And then it closes below the opening price and leaving a strong wick, and also not only a long wick, but also closing the body really clean. Closing the body really clean, okay? Without any tail. You can see here. So here you can see that even though the body of this daily candle closing is about the same size as the previous one, but it still came with a really strong momentum because it tried to retest and make a bullish recovery, but it failed, and then dropping, closing with a clean body right here without any tail. And then on Thursday, it tries to go down one more time, and then leaving a strong or a long tail right here. This tail, okay, is not just freaking tail, okay? This is the chart. This is why you do your technical analysis, because this tail is telling you guys something, okay? This tail happened or occurred at this level, okay? And this level, you see that we have a strong bullish engulfing candle right here. So this is a daily support, and then gold, even though it is coming in strong bearish momentum, when it reaches this daily support, it managed to wick down, okay, and then closes above here, okay, closes the candle above here, and then on the next day, on Friday, it tries once again to break this lowest body candle, okay, and then still wick up, and then closes the body just in the range of this daily support, okay. That's why I told you guys it is still undecisive, but because this daily momentum is looking weak, for next week it is best for us to have a slight bullish bias with gold. If gold managed to hold this daily support and break this white line that I already drew for you guys, okay. So how do I get the 30 pips? Okay, from this zone that I have already drawn, to answer your question just now, what's your name? Okay, I will look at your name back. Okay, if gold break this level, okay, let's say if gold break this level tomorrow on Monday, okay, during market open, gold breaks the level, this level, okay, it break with a strong, let's say a strong bullish momentum, okay, here with a strong candle like this, okay. So here you already see that on H1 time frame, gold managed to close at this level 25.75, and then Zach said that this is a current nearest resistance on the H1 time frame. So if it breaks, okay, that probably means gold wanna keep the bullish momentum continue and wanna keep going up. So what you can do is wait for a retest at this level. Okay, how do I get the 30 pip zone? By going into the lower time frame, okay. When I see the candle is closing bullish, okay, with a bullish body on the H1 time frame, okay, I will wait for a retest on the lower time frame, okay. If you guys are beginner, you can wait on the M15 time frame and wait for a retest back in this zone, okay. How do you get the 30 pips? You can see clearly right here, okay. You have a resistance, okay, previously on this M15 time frame, okay, this was a resistance, okay, and then like I told you guys, gold suddenly make a bullish breakout at this level. So on the M15 time frame, you can wait for price to reject in this level. Okay, when it is rejecting with a really strong bearish momentum, don't buy yet, just chill. And then when you see the bearish momentum is weakening, and then gold maybe make a rejection, okay, at this level, you know that this resistance, okay, that has been broken on the M50 time frame and also on the H1 time frame, okay, is now turning into a support, because gold, after it closes above here, when it made a retest going back down, it arrives with a weak bearish momentum and then holding this level. So when you see that, okay, that is when you get your 30 pip zone by going lower, okay, maybe on the M5 time frame, after you see that rejection, okay, maybe gold made a bearish rejection at this level, okay, and then you see one M5 candle making a bullish breakout at that level, okay. So you can also take your M5 zone, okay, this is how you get your 30 pip zone, okay. From here in this example, okay, you can take 75 to 72 zones, okay, that is your 30 pip zone. And this zone is really great, okay, because why? Because you can clearly see previously when it reaches here, it failed and drop, okay, and then playing below that level, okay, here also drop, here also drop. That's why when tomorrow, if it breaks this level and then manage to hold, you already got your 30 pip zone right here to freaking buy if you want, okay. So to answer your question, how do I get my 30 pip zone? Here, that is my answer. So you know that when I give my zones, I'm not just giving you guys bullshit analysis or just fake zones or the zones that came out of nowhere. I actually waited, okay, for my analysis to play it out, waited for the confirmation, waited for a high quality setup and also a really low risk entry before I release the signal, okay. So that is to answer your question. I hope it answers your question just now. Any question? Which lot size is better for me to use with $500 account? Okay, $500 account, it depends. If you want to go low risk, okay, you can use 0.01. That is the lowest lot size that you can use. If you want to go low risk, if you want to scalp like me, okay, you can try using 0.01. If you want to try low risk, but if you want to do medium risk, you can try 0.05 and add few layers in my zones and spread your risk by spreading your layers in the zone, okay. As price keep hovering in the zone, you can place more layers, but just remember to manage your risk and remember to take profits when price move into our direction, okay. Thank you so much, sir. You're welcome. Okay guys, I think you guys don't have any question, okay. I wish you guys all the best for the new week. Let's get ready, okay. Make sure you deposit your account right now if you haven't. Fund your account right now and be ready for the new week. Don't be late. As soon as I share my first signal tomorrow, you can start right away, follow and not wasting your time. Want to open your account, want to deposit, whatever, okay. Like Ryan here, already deposit $500, so that's how you get ready and be my loyal wolves, okay. For those of you guys who have been staying with the channel for a while, thank you so much and keep following me, because we have about less than 2 months left for this year, and we are going into 2025, which is the new year. It's going to be an exciting new year, I promise you guys. So just stay with me. I will update more interesting stuff with you guys soon in the School of Charts and also the Wolf of SOC. So guys, let's keep the momentum on, like this guy said. Let's go. Okay, let's target more profits for the new week as usual. Okay, let's start the week, especially tomorrow on Monday. Let's start with blues, okay, and keep the momentum, and if you can, keep the winning streaks until the end of the week. So guys, I wish you guys all the best. Have a great rest of your weekend. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the channel and in the next video and also live session, okay. Have a great day. See you guys soon.